This Keaty Real Estate, LLC property video is presented by Madeline LaMartiniere. $3,000 credit with use of preferred lender. We are now presenting 201 Prague Avenue, a beautiful new constriction home in Mon Cherie Subdivision. This well thought out triple split floor plan offers privacy for all household members. Everything about this home feels clean and modern without looking basic or boring. The kitchen offers plenty of cabinet space, a walk-in pantry, and designer lighting and plumbing fixtures. The kitchen island overlooks a large living area with a stylish fireplace. Impressive primary suite includes a separate soaker tub, a glass shower, and designated makeup area. It connects to a walk-in closet and spacious laundry room. On your back patio, enjoy an outdoor cooking area to entertain friends and family. Call for showings. For more information.